Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. My people, I have some things I want to talk to you about, And first up, I'm going to present a video to you. Now, in the video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person complained about a motor vehicle not being fixed. And in my point of view, the person sound upset. Now, this video that I'm about to present to you is piece of an entire video that have been posted on social media. In the entire video, the person talk about two motor vehicles, in my point of view, are not working or they're totally damaged. You see me? The person talk about an engine. The person also mentioned the word garage in the video, viewers and subscribers. The person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said that the person spent $250,000 trying to get a van together. The person used some harsh language in the video, viewers and subscribers, and the person also used some words that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find uncomfortable. The person used some words in this video that also includes black people. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Watch out. Let me show you. Actually, don't understand what I'm going on. I say I buy the van here. I can show you now. Because I don't understand what's going on here. Why I so blood clot vex. I buy this van here. Everything I fight them, scrap it. After me tell the man, so just make sure, me no mind if I take everything what I want, but make sure everything that me need for my van, go up on my van. The only thing me get from this van is the back. See my old back here. See there? And they put that up. That's it. Everything else teeth out. See there? Everything else teeth out and sell. And a man who say, boy, make a Jawari, fit him blood clot own. Do you know how disgusted and wicked I feel right now? And I can't even go on because one bad man here, with gunshot can fire. The man took out all the engine, them scrap it down to nothing, and yet my van can't fix. I give them everything they need to fix my van, and it can't fix, but them take off everything and go with it. Then what kind of people them this? What kind of savage, animal, bumbuckler people them this God? See if you can tell me. See if you can tell me. You see why we can't get nowhere in life as a people? You see why we're not going nowhere? Why black people get them are run a garage and everything just cock up inside there. See? Weeks and weeks, see the engine cock up there. He might tell me, over 3 weeks sometimes I put in the rascal engine. He say, oh, go get some oil and come. I buy 6 quarter oil. I buy the 3 filter and give the man and say, put it on from Rasta, I up and get the van because I want it. And over 4 weeks more pass now and see the engine cock up in the ear there. And these to them is my black brothers. My black who? Sometimes I wish I was a white man when I see black people behave like a junk.
Now, based on some words that the person said in the entire video that I saw, and based on some things that I saw in the video, I got the understanding that the person talked about 2 motor vehicles, and based on some more words that the person said in the video, I assume that those 2 motor vehicles are damaged or they're just not working. I assume that parts from one motor vehicle could have been used to fix the other motor vehicle. You see me, I say, my people? But me just go by words that the person said in that video, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, that person sound like the person is upset. Sometimes disappointment can hit a person's mind a certain way, and it just really truly set away. May I tell you the truth, my people? Tell me what you think about words that the person used in that video. You know what I mean? Tell me what you think about what the person said in that video. And I really would like to know your opinion, John. Now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened when a motorist had been stopped or pulled over by police. And in my point of view, it seems as if there was some form of disagreement between at least one person who you can hear talking in this video and a police officer who you can see in this video. In the video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that a person said to a police that you can see in this video, "Member say assault me," along with other words as well. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think about this situation. Based on what you're about to see and hear in this video, you can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong. Now please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Hey, pull the vehicle. Pull the vehicle. Don't pull the vehicle. My vehicle, you know. Alright. So we have the officer now. Where are your brains, Dada? Where are your brains, man? We know where to put you. Hey, extrude that out of my face, you know. Don't put that camera on my face, yeah? Take it out of hey. Anything you do, you know, officer. Anything you do, you know. Because that don't make no sense what you do, you know. No, don't put the video. I have a reason to record you while you search for vehicle. Remember say you assault me a while ago, you know. And remember say it up on camera. Officer, I know you see that, you know. Alright. See it, obstruct, what you call obstruct? Now get enough evidence. So I know what to do with it. No man, you're good man.
Now people, based on what you saw in that video and based on certain words that have been used in that video by at least 2 persons, I would like you to tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes on to the situation that you saw and heard in the video, which in my point of view I think is some form of disagreement between at least one person and a police officer we can see in the video. Alright, next topic. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show 2 persons shoplifting viewers and subscribers. Yeah, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show 2 persons who have been caught on camera shoplifting. See, now I do not know exactly where and when the video will be recorded, and the video shows 2 persons putting certain things in a part of their clothing. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to tell me what I think about the situation that you're about to see in this video, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Just pay close attention, viewers and subscribers. Look what's going on right here. Swag, watch it. I tell you. So those persons was caught on camera shoplifting. I tell my people. Shoplifting is wrong. No one should ever do anything like that. See, so my people, one of the reasons why I presented that video to you is because the video has been talked about on social media. Alright, so you can let me know what you think. On to another video. Now I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and in this video a person said some words that gave me the understanding that he said that he's the president of the One Voice Transportation Group. Now viewers and subscribers, I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think. You can tell me what you think about some of the words that the person used in this video. Look, listen and observe for yourself, my people.
My name is Lorraine Finnekin, Director of Communication and President of the One Voice Transportation Group. We gather here this evening a number of operators that operate within the KMTR and some are from outside of the KMTR. Our position is that we will be withdrawing service effective 4 a.m. the 6th of February 2023 to send a message across to the government of Jamaica that we need their attention to deal with some of the problems that we presently face in the public transportation sector. We want to say to the public of Jamaica that we cannot guarantee you normality come under the 6th of February within the public transportation sector. We are sorry for any inconvenience that you may face But it is not until we take industrial action, not just the public transportation sector, but every sector in Jamaica. Only when we take industrial action.
My people, I got the understanding that ever since the new Road Traffic Act take effect within the country of Jamaica, there are a lot of public transportation motor vehicle operators who complain about certain issues pertaining to the new Road Traffic Act within the country of Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, I would like you to tell me what you think about that situation, and I would like you to tell me what you think about the video that I presented to you. And I hope that everything will somehow turn out okay when it comes on to the new Road Traffic Act and public transportation motor vehicle operators within the country of Jamaica. And I real, say me and say. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.